Good morning, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about some formulas, important formulas. Before class, we have discussed about some important formulas. Previous class, we already learned. Those formulas are most important in this class. Okay, now we are going to the problems, applications applied of the maxima and minima. Okay, maxima and minima. How to use this. Before I explained before class some formulas, how to use that formulas. Okay, listen carefully. These are all the theoretical problems. Some data will given. You read the problem carefully. And write down the data. What is given data? You read the problem carefully. In that one, you find out what you find out means the area is largest, the volume is minimum, the least volume, the least area, the least surface area, okay, the greatest volume, okay, the greatest perimeter. You observed in that one, in that problem, word problem, you read the carefully, you must and should see that type of words. The volume of the cylinder is greatest, the volume of the sphere is greatest, the surface area of the cylinder is minimum. So that's that type of words you see. That is important one. That type of sentence, that is called the function. For example, volume of the cylinder is maximum. Cylinder volume, you know the cylinder volume pi r square h. That is the function of that problem. Now, differentiation of that function, first order, second order, first order derivative equal to 0, we will get the values, the substitute in the second order derivative. Understood or not? The surface area is maximum. Surface area is maximum means surface area is the function here. In that problem, which one is the maximum or minimum, we will take the function. You remember that one. Very easy problems. Okay, my dear students. Now, we are going to one problem, my dear students. What the problem is going on? Find the two numbers. First question. Find the two numbers. Find the two numbers whose sum is 24 and product is as large possible. Here before I explain, please read the problem very carefully. Find the two numbers whose sum is 24. You will find the two numbers whose sum is 24. Two numbers means let x comma y are the two numbers. What is the function? You read the problem carefully. What is the function means? In that problem, compulsory have the largest or greatest or maximum and minimum words you see. The product is the large. Large means biggest. This is the function. What is that one? Product. What is the product? Means the numbers product. What are the numbers? X comma y. Product means x into y. This is 100% function. Function means suppose p will take whatever maybe. This is the function p. This is largest. Largest means second order derivative must be is equal to 0. Enough? Understood or not? Let solution. X comma y are two numbers. X comma y are the two numbers. Now, given, what is given? X plus y is equal to 24. From this one, we will find x value or y value, whatever may be. Y is equal to 24 minus x. What is the function here? The function is large. What is the large? Product is large. That is, we will take the function, that one. Which one is the maximum or which one is the minimum? That we will take the function. Here p is equal to x into y. Product. Function is equal to xy. Therefore, p is or f we will take function is equal to. Okay, no problem p. X into y value already find 24 minus x. Now this differentiate how many times? 2 times. Now p is equal to 24x minus x square. Now dp by dx, differentiating with respect to x, 24 x derivative 1 minus 2x. Again derivative dp square by dx square. 24 derivative is 0, minus 2 x derivative minus 2. Already second order derivative is negative, means less than 0. You have substitute any value, x value, no x means 100% always it is minus 2 means less than 0 means maximum. P means function, product. P means what is large. Large is, the product is large means 100% large, maximum. Okay, per critical points. Don't forget the process. Okay, dp by dx is equal to dp by dx is equal to 0 means 24 minus 2x is equal to 0. Therefore, 24 is equal to x. X is equal to how much? 12. X is equal to 12, substitute in this one. At x is equal to 12, d square p by dx square is equal to how much? That value must and should minus 2. Minus 2 less than 0. Means p have maximum, means p have large at x is equal to 1. Now we find the y value. Therefore, maximum is large value at x is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 24 minus x. Y equal to 24 minus 12. That equal to y equal to 12. Therefore, find the two numbers, that is x is equal to 12, comma y equal to 12. I hope that you understood the problem. In this way, we will complete the remaining problems, my dear students. Okay, now we are going to the next problem. Very, very simple problems, my dear students. Now we are going to the next problem. Find the positive numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60 and xy cube is maximum. That is the given. Find the positive numbers x and y such that x plus y equals 60 and xy cube is maximum. Clearly is given, sum is equal to 60 is given. Is this one is the maximum, means we will take this is the function. Here what is the given solution? X y cube is there, y cube is there. Now we will substitute x value in terms of y. Easy calculation purpose. Okay. Given x plus y is equal to 60. Now from here x is equal to how much? 60 minus y. What is the function here? Which one is the maximum? Which one is the minimum? That is the function p. P or f, whatever may be f. Let f is equal to x y cube. Now f is equal to, what is the x value? 60 minus y into y cube. No problem at all. The function in terms of y means differentiate with respect to y. No problem at all. Now f is equal 60 y cube minus y power 4. Now df by dx 60 y cube derivative 3y square means 180 y square minus 4 y cube. D square f by dx square is equal to 360 y minus 12 y square. For maxima and minima, what happened? For max or min, df by dx or per critical points, that write the critical points, no problem at all. For max or minimum, df by dx is equal to 0. Means 180 y square minus 4 y cube is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Now what happened? Now 180 y square is equal to 4 y cube. Now y square y cube cancel. 4 1s are 4 4s are 4 5s are. Now y is equal to 45. Y is equal to 45. Those 45 values substitute in the second order derivative. D square f by h. Y is equal to 45. D square f by dy square. Sorry, y write the this differentiation with respect to y, my dear students. Df by dy. Okay, with respect to y. I do the mistake. Yeah, d square f by dy square 360 into 45 minus 12 into 45 square. Okay, 45 into 36, my dear students. 45 into 36. 6 5s are 30. 6 4s are 24, 27. 5 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 0 12 4 6 1 16 20 minus 12 into 45 means 20 25, 45 whole square, 5 4s are 20, okay, 60, 100%. observe that, don't calculate that one. 45 square means 20 25, this is 16 20, again 12 times, 100%. this is positive value is very less than the negative value, means this is less than 0. Don't calculate that one, positive or negative, imagine, you will imagine that one, okay. Second order derivative means less than 0 means maximum. What is maximum? F is maximum, therefore F means this one, xy cube is maximum, therefore F of maximum value at y is equal 45. Now we will find the x value. Therefore x is equal how much? X is equal 60 minus y, that equal 60 minus 45, that equal how much? 50. X is equal 50. In this way we will do the problems. Okay, my dear students, the next problem is this one. Observe that. Read the question. Show that of all the rectangles, very very important question. Show that of all the rectangles of given area is given. First, what is the given data? Okay, show that all the rectangles. We will take the rectangle, no problem at all. Here rectangle. First of all, length is x, breadth is y. Immediately we will take length x, breadth y. Area is given. Given area means what is the area of the rectangle means you know that area is equal to x into y. Okay, very nice. Okay, show that of all the rectangles of given area, the square has the smallest perimeter. What is the meaning of that one? Smallest perimeter means the perimeter of the rectangle is smallest. Whenever the perimeter of the rectangle is smallest, the rectangle will be changed into the square. Means whenever it is square changed into square means you have to show that x into y. Enough. What is the function here? Smallest perimeter. Which perimeter? Rectangle. You are discussing the rectangle. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle is the function. You do the process. First order derivative, second order derivative. In this one, after whenever this is the smallest, automatically now it is a square. Square means you have to show that x is equal to y. That is enough, my dear students. Okay. Now we are going to the problem. Let x comma y are the length and depth means breadth of a rectangle. Let x comma y are the length and breadth of a rectangle. Area clearly is given, area is equal to x into y. From this one you will find area is equal to a by x. What is the function? Perimeter. Smallest perimeter of the rectangle. Smallest perimeter. P is equal to formula 2 into x plus y. Perimeter. Perimeter. This is the minimum. Okay, you have to show that this is the minimum. Whenever the perimeter is minimum, the rectangle is a square. Okay. P is equal to 2 into x plus y. Y means a by x. Y means a by x. Now differentiate with respect to x 2 times. Now dp by dx is equal to 2 into x derivative is 1 minus, a is the constant here, 1 by x derivative. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. Now this is dp by dx is equal to 2 into 1 minus a by x square. Now again differentiate. D square p by dx square. Okay, my dear students, that is equal to 2 into 1. 2 into 1 derivative 0 minus 1 by x square derivative minus 2 by x cube. Minus 2, already minus is there. Minus a into minus 2 by x cube. That equal to minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4a by x cube. Okay, no problem at all. Here this one. Okay. Now for our goal, for critical points purpose, that is for maxima and minima or critical points whatever may be, for maxima or minima, first order derivative is equal to 0. What is the first order derivative? dp by dx is equal to 0. dp by dx is equal to 0. What is the dp by dx here? 2 into 1 minus a by x square is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students, 2 0 1 is equal to a by x square. Now x square is equal to a. X square is equal to what is a? A is equal to xy. X into y. X cancel. Therefore x is equal to y. X is equal to y. Now x value substitute here. Y cube. Length and breadth, those are always positive. Therefore at x is equal to y, d square p by dx square 100% positive. Why positive means area always positive, x value means x is nothing but the y, length always positive means therefore perimeter of rectangle is minimum when x is equal to y. X is equal to y means length is equal to breadth means therefore rectangle is a square. Therefore rectangle is a square. Why? You know that. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, my dear students, read this problem. Okay, next question. Okay, show that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given circle, the square has the maximum area. What is the meaning of that one? Here, what is the function? You know, observe that maximum area. Which area maximum? Rectangular area is maximum. Rectangular area, whenever the rectangular area is maximum, that rectangular is inscribed in the circle, that rectangle will be changed into the square. Before problem, perimeter is minimum. Whenever perimeter is minimum, the rectangle will be changed into the square. Here, maximum area, rectangular area is maximum, that is the function. That rectangle inscribed in the circle, that will be converted into the square. Okay, now we observe that. Now we will take the, what is the question is there? All the rectangles inscribed in a given circle. After that, the rectangle will be changed into the square. Whenever it is a maximum area, the rectangle will be changed into the square. Now we will take the, this is called circle. Now in this one, you will take the, what is that one? Rectangle. You will take the rectangle, my dear students. Okay, here. Okay, this is the rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle inscribed in the circle. Let in a rectangle means this is the length, this is the breadth. Okay, my dear students, here 100% this is center. Okay, this is center of the circle. 100%, this is called radius. AC is the diameter, that is 2r. Let's observe that ABCD is a rectangle inscribed in a circle. Circle have radius r. Let AB is equal to x, BC is equal to y, length, breadth, and AC is equal to r, 100%. Now ABC is the right angle triangle, 100%. In a rectangle, at each vertex the angle is 90 degrees. Okay, my dear students. Now in a triangle ABC, now x square plus y square is equal to 2r whole square. No doubt at all. Okay. First, what is given? You write the concept. You write the basics, concepts. What is the given? You write each and every one. That equal 4r square. From here you will find y square is equal to 4r square minus x square. Now here this one. Now what is the function? Maximum area. Area is maximum. Now area of the rectangle. You know that area of the rectangle? A is equal to x into y. Area of the rectangle is x into y. Already here y square is there. Now squaring on both sides. No problem at all. Let S be S. A square equal x square y square. Let a square means something f function. Let a square is equal to f. No problem at all. Okay. Let a square is equal to f. F is equal to x square y square. Y square value you know that 4r square minus x square. Let us consider a is equal to f square. Okay. Now f is equal to this one. Now f is equal, multiply 4r square into x square minus x square into x square, x power 4. How many times differentiation? It's the same process. This is the function is our first order derivative, second order derivative, first order derivative is equal to 0. Now what happened? df by dx is equal to x square derivative 2x, 8r square x minus x power 4 derivative is 4x cube. Again differentiate. Now x derivative is 1, 8r square minus x cube derivative 3x square means 12x square. For maxima and minima means for critical points. For maxima or minima, df by dx is equal to 0. df by dx, what is that one? 8r square x minus 4x cube is equal to 0. X not equal to 100%, okay? 8r square x is equal to 4x cube. X square cancel. First of all, we will take common x. X equal to 0 means length is nothing, okay? Now 8r, 4 1s are 4 2s are. 2r square is equal to x square. From here x is equal, what happened? 2r square equal to x square, okay, one of the value. X is equal to root 2r. Root 2r, x square equal to r square. This value substitute in the second order derivative. What happened? At x is equal to root 2r. d square f by dx square. That equal to 8r square minus 12 into x square. X square means 2r square. That equal 8r square minus 12 to the 24r square. That equal minus 16r. R is positive, radius, this is negative. Second order derivative is negative. What is f? What is f means area. F nothing but the area or not. Therefore, area is maximum. When area is maximum, x is equal to root 2r. Okay. Therefore, area of rectangle is maximum at x is equal to root 2r. But x is equal to root 2r means we will find the y. What about y? Y square is equal to, observe that here. Y square equal to 4r square minus x square. That equal to 4r square minus x square value. X square means 2r square. Okay. Now y square is equal to 4r square minus 2r square, 2r square. Y is equal to root 2r. Observe that x value root 2r, y value root 2r. Both are equal or not? Yes. Therefore, x is equal, y is equal to root 2r. What is the meaning of that one? X is equal to y is equal to root 2r means length and breadth are equal. Therefore, it is a square. It is a square, my dear students. Okay, we go into the next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Read carefully. What is the problem? First, read the problem. Find out the what's the given data. After that, what is the function? Okay. What is the function? Means you know that what is the function. Okay. Now, the sum of the lengths of the hypotenuse and the side of the right angle triangle is given. Sum of the, okay, here 100% hypotenuse and right angle triangle. Here clearly discussed about the this one. For suppose here A, B, C. The sum of the lengths of the hypotenuse and side of the right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees means this is for suppose x, this is y. Sum is given. Sum is x plus y is equal to something k. Sum. Show that the area of the right angle triangle. Okay. What is the area of the right angle triangle? Means area equal half into base into height. And f. Right angle triangle is maximum. When the angle between them means these two sides is pi by 3. Whenever this area is maximum, we can find the angle this one. For suppose tan theta definition or sin theta equal this one by this one. Okay, my dear students. How for this one? Suppose you don't know this one. Height means for suppose h. Let observe that one by one. Observe that. Okay, diagram is okay. What is the given data? Find out one by one. Let ABC, triangle ABC is a right angle. Right angle triangle. Now let AB is equal to x AC is equal to y. Therefore, x plus y is equal to k. From here, y is equal to something k minus x. Okay, my dear students. Y is equal to k minus x. Now, from this right angle triangle, observe that here h square you need. X square plus h square equal to y square. X square plus h square is equal to 100% y square. But I want, okay, from here h square is equal to y square minus x square. Okay, my dear students. H square equal to y square minus x square. This is given. Now, what is the function? Area of the triangle is maximum. What is the area? Now, area is equal to half into base. What is the base? You know that AB means x into height means h. That is the area. Now, squaring. Y squaring means here h square is there. H square is available. Okay. 1 by 4 x square into h square. Okay. 1 by 4 x square. 1 by 4 into x square into h square. H square means y square minus x square. Okay, my dear students. What is the value of y square? Means k minus x whole square. Okay. Now, calculation part is going on simply. X square by 4 into here y square. Y square means y value is equal to k minus x. K minus x whole square minus x square. First, simplify the given condition. After that, we will go the derivative. Let a square equal here. A square is there. Let a square is equal to some f is equal to a square. Okay, my dear students. This is f. Now, f is equal to, what is f? X square by 4 into expansion k square minus 2kx plus x square minus x square. This one cancel. Okay, my dear students. F is equal to x square by 4 into k square minus 2kx. Now, f is equal to 1 by 4 and multiply x square. K square x square minus 2k x cube. Now, differentiate the two times. Our goal is you can find the values of x and y. After that, sin theta or cos. This angle is, whenever it is the maximum, is second order derivative is negative. You can find the angle. That angle must should the 60 degrees. You have to show that. Okay. Now, df by dx. What happened? 1 by 4 into x with respect to x only. Okay. Only x differentiation. Remaining are constants. Okay. X square to 2x means 2k square x minus x cube derivative 3x square. 2k means 6kx. 6kx. 6k x square, sorry, not 6k, 6k x square. Now, d square f by dx square. Okay, my dear students. What happened? This is 1 by 4. Again, differentiate x derivative 1, 2k square minus 3k means 6kx. Here, oh sorry, before what happened? X cube derivative 3, this is 6. X cube derivative 3x square, 3 to the 6. Here x square derivative 2x, 12kx. 12kx. For maxima and minima. For maxima or minima, what happened, my dear students? df by dx is equal to 0 for critical points. Okay. 1 by 4 into, okay, 2k square x minus 6k x square. 100% is 0. Okay. Yes. Yes. 1 by 4 is 0. 2k square x is equal to 6k x square. 2 1s are 2 3s are. K cancel. X cancel. K is equal to 3x. Now, x is equal to, what is the value of x is? X is equal to k by 3. X is equal to k by 3. That x is equal to k by 3, substitute in the second order derivative. What happened? X value substitute in the second order derivative. Okay, my dear students. Here, again I will use that one. Okay. Now, k value substitute in second. Therefore, at x is equal to k by 3. Now, the second order derivative, d square f by dx square. That equal to 1 by 4 into 2k square minus 12k into k by 3. X value 3 1s are 3 4s are. 1 by 4 into 2k square minus 4k square. 1 by 4 into 2k square minus 4k square means minus 2k square. Positive or negative? This is 100% negative. Area is maximum. area of triangle is maximum, area of the triangle is maximum at x is equal to k by 3. Therefore y is equal to, what is y? Y is equal to x plus y is equal to k. Here x plus y is equal to k. Y is equal to k minus x. Y is equal to k minus x. K value k by 3, k minus k by 3. 3k minus k, 2k by 3. Now in a triangle we will take the, what is the value? Sin theta or cos theta we will take, no problem at all. Okay, cos theta, you will find also h. Cos theta equal x by y. Okay, now cos theta is equal to, in the triangle, what is the triangle ABC? Cos theta is equal to, what is that? X by y. Now cos theta equal, what is the x value? X value is k by 3 by, this is 2k by 3. Okay, 3 cancel, k cancel, that equal 1 by 2. Cos theta equal 1 by 2. Now theta is equal 100% 60 degrees. 60 degrees means how much? Pi by 3. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will do the problems in maxima and minima. Okay, tomorrow class we will continue the, so many problems we have, important problems. Tomorrow class we have continue. Okay, tomorrow. Thank you, one and all.